This is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So first, I would like to show how you can lock your screen with a fingerprint. So in order to do that, you will need to launch Settings, enter Biometrics and Password, tap at the fingerprint ID, onward set up the backup screen lock method. In my case, I'll choose pattern, for example, but you can go for password or PIN as well. Then tap at turn on the unlock device toggle and start adding your fingerprint. So as you can see, the scanner is located underneath the display. So just gradually lay and lift your finger on and out of the sensor in accordance with the instructions you see on your screen. So this process should not be complicated and should not take a lot of time either. So as you can see, the enrollment is successful, so now I can start unlocking the display of my phone with my own fingerprint. Not only it is a secure way, but also a very convenient and quick one. The next options that I wanted to show you, both can be found at the display and brightness category. One of them is a screen resolution, allowing you to select what resolution your screen will have. You can go for low, high, or smart resolution options. The smart resolution will just automatically or rather adjust the resolution of your display in the automatic mode, pretty much in accordance with current scenario. The screen refresh rate story is somewhat the same. You can set it to be at 60 Hz or 120 or dynamic in order for the system to automatically switch between those two. The high value of the display refresh rate will smoothen animations, just provide you with way smoother visuals. But at the same time, it will also increase the power consumption, so it's up to you to select the value that fits your needs the best. But we are moving on. The next or the last two features I wanted to share today can be both found at the battery category of settings. First one is, battery percentage and how you can enable it. So you can either place it inside the battery icon or right next to it. The other option is just this magical small toggle that is called performance mode, and this feature allows you to significantly improve the system performance at the expense of increasing the battery usage or power consumption. But if you are all about this performance and you would like to squeeze out the last tiniest bit of performance and productivity that your phone is capable of, just go for it. Anyway, that will be it for this short yet useful, I sincerely hope, useful video. And thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.